Welcome everyone. Today I am teaching you the palm tree nail art design step by step guide. This nail art features the beautiful silhouette of a palm tree in front of a summer sunset. Let's talk to step number 1. Start by painting your nails with a yellow nail polish. Step number 2. Using a small piece of cosmetic sponge and some tweezers. Apply an orange nail polish to your nails. Leave the top third of your nails mostly yellow. Step number 3. Dab on a hot pink nail polish using the same method, but this time focus on the tips of your nails. Step number 4. Using a nail art brush and a dark nail polish, create the silhouette of the beach by drawing two half circles to the tip of the nails. Step number 5. Using the same tool and nail polish, fill in the beach area completely. Step number 6. Using a nail art brush and dark brown nail polish, create a curved line for the trunk of the tree. Thicken the bottom of the trunk. Step number 7. Using the same tool and nail polish, curved lines to create the leaves of the tree. Step number 8. Go over the lines to thicken the leaves. Step number 9. Remove all the extra nail polish if you paint your skin with the nail remover or thinner as well. Step number 9. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go, ladies and gentlemen, your design is ready. Please enjoy your palm tree nail art design at your comfort. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.